So yeah, so here's the Malibu. This is fully extended front and rear, so nothing too crazy. It's still got, you know, stock trailing arms on the rear. Front control arms are reinforced and extended, so that's definitely good there for all the stress up front. But the new setup will be a lot different and a lot more extreme than what we got here right now. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. Normally, you know, with the Jeep bodies, you see the Monte Carlos and you see the Regals and Cutlass, all those cars, but Malibus, especially, you know, where I live at, you really don't see those too often with the hydraulics. So I had to grab this when I seen it. It was too good to pass up. So yeah, so stay tuned. This is going to be a really fun build, working with someone out in the Midwest that's going to build this up and wrap the frame and do a little bit more work on this setup for the suspension. So really excited to see how this turns out.